Sairam students. Students, imagine you are reading a newspaper or a magazine or any book, and while reading you find a word for which you are unable to understand the meaning. So at that moment, what are you going to do? Yes, you will look into the dictionary to find the relevant meaning, right? Yes. So, our today's topic is based on dictionary. And I'm sure students, you all are ready with a notebook and a pen to write all the important points that we are going to discuss today. Students, let us first understand what is a dictionary. A dictionary is a book that provides a list of words in alphabetical order with their meanings and related information about them. Yes, a dictionary will provide you meaning and information about that particular word. Then it includes information on definitions, usage, etymologies, and pronunciation. Now students, here etymologies mean the study of the origin of words and the way in which their meanings have changed throughout history. Or in simple way we can understand as the origin of a word, that is the etymologies is the origin of a word and the historical development of its meaning, right? The words in the dictionary always appear in alphabetical order from A to Z. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Like in this case, we have words like frog, goat and horse. Now here the word goat comes after the word frog and before the word horse. Similarly, in the word yak comes after the word vulture and before the word zebra. Now, this is the alphabetical listing of the words in the dictionary. So, in order to find a word in the dictionary, it is necessary to know the order of letter from A to Z. The words under each letter are also listed in alphabetical order. Words having the first letter common are arranged on the basis of second letter. Similarly, if the second letter is common, then the words are arranged on the basis of third letter and so on. Now, let us understand this with these three words, gate, goat and god. Now, in these words, we have the letter G as common, correct? So, we will look at the second letter of these words in the alphabetical order, right? Now, the letter A is, the letter A will come before the letter O, right? So, now in this case, the word gate will appear first, right? Now, let's look at the next two words, that is goat and golf. Now, in this case, the first two are already, the first two letters, that is G-O and G-O are common, right? So, we will look at the third letter, that is A and L, right? Now, in this case, A appears before L, correct? Hence, the word goat will appear before the word golf, right? Now, let's understand how to use a dictionary step by step. Right. Now, the first step is find the word you want to look up. Now, for example, I want to look up for the word pain, that is P-A-I-N. Then, the next step is find the letter that the word begins with. Now, the word pain begins with the letter P. Then, the third step is open the dictionary to the page with the relevant letter, that is example P. Okay, now I will open the dictionary and I will look in alphabetical order and I will find the word P. Alright, then the next step is, now look at the second letter in the word you are looking for. Now when second letter in the word pain is P-A. So the second letter is A. Like in this case, these are the alphabetical order, correct? Now I am looking for the word pain and the word pain starts with the letter P. So I have find out this page which begins with P, correct? Then I will look for the second letter, that is A, and then for the third letter I, and then I will find the letter N, and finally I will get the word pain somewhere here. Alright? Now let's understand why are dictionaries important. You can use a dictionary to look at the meaning of any words that you don't understand. Yes, when we find any new word, we always look into the dictionary to get its meaning, right? Then, a good dictionary can help you understand your subject better, improve your communication and improve your grades by making sure that you are using words correctly. Yes, when we have find the meaning of the word, we use it in a correct way. Then it also improves the communication skill, right? And it also gives us confidence that we are using the word correctly. Alright? Now let's understand what is the use of dictionary. A dictionary helps to learn pronouns correctly, right? It defines a word, then it helps to find synonyms and antonyms for a word. It shows how many syllables are there in a word, right? Then it also helps to find out what part of speech a word is. So it helps to find out what part of speech a word is. Now let us understand the following illustration. Now in a dictionary you will find a guide word, you will find its pronunciation, you will find part of speech, then you will get to know the page number, then you will also find the syllabification, then you will find few simple sentence, then you will also find the definition of that particular word. Now let us understand this one by one. The first one is entry words. Now each word defined in a dictionary is called entry word. Then entry word shows you to spell the word. Then entry word are the main word that are explained in a dictionary. Now these words appear in bold type font, which makes it easier to locate the word. For example, the word violet is the entry word. Now it has a bold type and slightly bigger in font as compared to that of its information. Now another way in which you can find a word in a dictionary is with the help of guide word. Now the guide words refer to a pair of main entry words printed at the top of each page in the dictionary. Then the guide words tell you the first and the last word defined on each page. The guide word appearing on the left hand side refers to the first entry on that page. Then the guide word appearing on the right hand side refers to the last entry on that page. Then any entry between the pair of guide words will appear alphabetically on that page. Students, in your dictionary, you will find the guide word at the top of each page, something like this. Now, a dictionary also provides definition of the entry word. Now, let's understand this. Now, the definition tells you what each word means. A word may have more than one definition. In that case, the definitions are listed and numbered. Like for example, the entry word violate has two definitions and are numbered. The dictionary also provides the spelling of a word. Some word can be tricky to pronounce based on its spelling. So in that case, dictionary provides the pronunciation of the entry word. Now let us see this. The pronunciation key shows how to say a word or a syllables. Then the pronunciation is broken into syllables. A dictionary uses symbols to indicate the sounds of the letter in a word. The symbols used in a key are listed in a chart provided at the beginning of the dictionary. Now, we'll look at the example. The pronunciation key for the word violet is shown just next to the entry word. Now, the chart looks something like this and it is provided at the beginning of the dictionary. Now, let us understand what is syllabification. A dictionary provides syllabification guide of the number of syllables that an entry word has. It provides a division of each word into syllable using hyphen. Syllable is a word part that has only one vowel sound. Each entry word on dictionary is divided into syllables. For example, the word violet has 3 syllables. The dictionary provides a part of speech in abbreviation for each definition of an entry word. The part of speech indicates whether the word is being used as a noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition or interjection. Now here the word violet is used as a noun. The dictionary provides a list of synonyms and antonyms for the given entry word. Now, let us understand what is synonyms. A synonym is a word which expresses the same or very similar meaning as another word. Now, here you can see the example of violent and its synonyms provided. Now let's move ahead. Now we will understand what is antonyms. An antonym is a word which expresses a meaning opposed to the meaning of another word. Now for the word violent, there is antonyms provided in the dictionary. Alright, now let's move ahead. Now this is sample sentences. Some dictionaries give sample sentences so that you can see how a word is used. Now here it is shown that in a dictionary you will find sample sentences which will help you to understand the word better. Now let's move ahead. Now the last one is page number. Now you will find page number at the top of each page in the dictionary. The page number also shows in which page the word occurs. Students, I'm sure you all have understood what is dictionary, how to use a dictionary, and also about its feature. So, I will stop this session here and will continue in the next online session with the same topic. Alright? So, see you again next time in the next online session. Till then, Sairam, take care.